Should you invest in cryptocurrency? If we want to evaluate if cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoin, the Ethereum or the Litecoin are a good investment, we should first listen to the advice of authorities on the matter of investing. On this subject, two of the most respected authorities are stock market experts Warren Buffett and Charles Munger, two legends in the financial world. To resume their position, let's say that Buffett and Munger consider cryptocurrencies as one of the most speculative ways to conserve own money or to make it grow. They are indeed very clear in their appreciation of the cryptocurrency phenomenon. Referring to the fact that cryptos like the Bitcoin are used by ransomware hackers and other criminals to receive untraceable payments, Charlie Munger once commented, "I don't welcome a currency that's so useful to kidnappers and extortionists. The whole damn development is disgusting and contrary to the interest of civilization." Warren Buffett once declared, "I don't have any Bitcoin. I don't own any cryptocurrency, I never will." The reasons Buffett won't trust cryptocurrencies are many. First of all, Buffett doesn't like cryptos because they are unproductive assets and will never send you a check, contrary to companies' stocks that can make profit and declare dividends. "What you hope," says Buffett, "is that somebody else comes along and pays you more money for them later on, but then that person's got the problem." Buffett also notes that according to the most common definition, money is supposed to be a means of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. As Buffett once explained, the cryptocurrency does not meet the test of a currency. It is not a durable means of exchange, it's not a store of value. Finally, referring to the cloud of technological babble that is repeated by cryptocurrency promoters to assure that cryptology, blockchain and data mining make their virtual notes secure, Buffett denounced the complexity of the explications by noting, "If you don't understand it, you get much more excited than if you understand it. You can have anything you want to imagine if you just look at something and say, that's magic." For economists like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, cryptocurrencies have no value at all for many reasons. 1. Contrary to companies in which you can buy stock shares, cryptocurrencies produce neither products nor services on which investors can estimate their value. 2. Contrary to countries' currencies that are backed by a national treasury and a national production, cryptocurrencies aren't guaranteed by any government or organization. 3. Contrary to banks' notes or corporate bonds that are issued by known legal entities having some financial evaluation and some legal accountability, cryptocurrencies are emitted anonymously and neither backed by any assets nor legal responsibility. So, without any production, without any governmental guarantees, and without any legal backing, cryptocurrencies only worth their market values and nothing else. And those market values are very volatile. Still, many people believe that cryptocurrencies are comparable to national currencies or money and that they can be trusted as much as established currencies. But a few numbers show that this vision is not realistic. Let's look at the national currencies. How many countries exist on planet Earth? Between 251 and 195 countries depending on the method of counting. So, let's say there are 200 countries, to use a round number. And how many national currencies are used by those 200 countries? Altogether, there are only 162 official currencies used by those 200 countries. And of these 162 monies, 48 currencies are tied to another with a fixed exchange rate. In comparison to those 162 currencies, do you know how many cryptocurrencies exist? A staggering number of more than 8,000 cryptocurrencies. That means that for each national currency there are 50 different cryptocurrencies existing. 50 cryptocurrencies that not only are unregulated but are also unproductive, not backed by any government or organization, and not legally bonded by any contractual obligations since those cryptocurrencies are not related to any identifiable legal entities. Far from being a democratized way to manage money exchanges between the people, in reality cryptos are pure chaos. So, like Buffett remarked, the only real sure propriety that have cryptos is to be part of a global virtual trading game. And all that one can do, if he possesses any cryptocurrency, is to play the trading game and hope that somebody else comes along and pays you more money for them later on. A few years ago, This betting game was a contest in which amateur players had some reasonable hope to win if they were playing the game correctly. But in recent years, many big major league players had appeared on the crypto field. Players that can crush the amateur players at their game unless they evacuate the field in a hurry. In 2021, more corporate establishments showed their interest toward the cryptocurrency betting game to the detriment of small individual investors. More and more financial institutions are playing in the cryptocurrency trading game on different types of listed trading instruments, doing so with the power of massive financial capacity and with all the advantage that high-frequency computer trading systems are giving them. With those last developments, the cryptocurrency trading game is just enter a major professional league where small amateur players have very few chances to win.